Hello and welcome to Healthy Kitchen 101. My name is Anh Ngo and today I'm going to unbox the AMZCHEF juicer. This is a slow juicer, model number ZM1501, 120 volts, 60 hertz, 150 watts, and it's a gray machine. Okay, it's made in China. Okay, I'm gonna open it and see what's in the box. Okay, so we have an instruction manual. And juice recipes. We have a wrench here. A brush for cleaning. This is the tray. A pusher. Okay. So this is the feed chute and strainer assembly. This is the end cap. Juice container with measurements. This is made of plastic apparently, and pulp container. And finally, main housing. How do I open it? Like the power cord and switch. Oh, we still have the auger here. Large and long auger. Okay, so now I'm going to put the machine together and put the parts together and run a trial test for it. Okay, strainer, the end cap. Not too challenging. Okay. That's it, we're good. Okay. So I'm going to test it with celery, apples, and some carrots. Okay, let's see. like just some celery and it's nodding so hard. very good with carrots. Good girl, and it agrees. Apples. It needs help. This type of slow juicer always have a problem with apples due to the very tough and slippery skin. It's like a small dog. Good girl. Forcing it to see if it can handle like many sticks of celery at once. Okay, no jamming so far. Wow, this one takes everything. If I push too hard, I feel that it may, come off. I never needed to use the reverse function. Okay, let's see. A lot of juice with some foam as usual, and the pulp is quite dry. Not bad at all. Really. And see how it tastes. Well, it tastes like carrots and celery and apple, but the texture is not bad. It's not very pulpy. Okay, that's it for today, the AMZCHEF Slow Juicer. Thank you for watching the video, and if you like it, please press like and subscribe to our channel. And if you would like to buy the product, then the link is right down below.